Hey guys. Sorry, I'm chewing a cone. We're going to be looking at nature today. If there's anything in nature, it's going to probably be really boring. I just really wanted to look at nature. Like, these are really cute pebbles. Look, zoom in at them. Like, there's some clear ones, red ones, white ones that are striped. Some are even zigzag, but they're really cute. And then just look at that tree. Just look at it. Like, what? And there's a bunch of sticks on the ground. Don't mind my shoes. Well, then I have no pants on. Okay. There's leaves over here. I'm eating a cone and it's really good. Want some? Here, you guys. It's really sunny. There's a tree. Some clouds. Some pine cone leaves. And the sound of crunching. Ready? Satisfying moment. Not really satisfying. It's not as crunchy as it was yesterday because it's kind of a little bit stale. There we go. So, really short, boring video. Hope you liked it. Bye.